Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube learning channel Accurate ASME ISO. In this video, let us learn little advances of the Gd&T MMB or maximum material boundary. MMB is used in datum control frame. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Let us begin now. In the given control frame, a symbol of material boundary is shown. It also named as MMB. The symbol is exactly same as maximum material condition, normally called MMC. Only the placement of symbol is differentiator. In control frame compartments, it identifies either it is MMC or MMB. If it is at datum, it is called as MMB. The latest release of Gd&T International Standard ASME Y14.5 in clause number 3.4 defines maximum material boundary as: it is a boundary, the worst case boundary that exists on or outside the material of a feature and is defined by the combined effects of size and geometrical tolerances. Let us take an example practically to demonstrate the application of maximum material boundary. The given drawing of a circular plate machined at center hole and concentric PCD 8 number of holes. The PCD is having total 8 holes. The diameter of each is from 9.9 mm to 10.1 mm. Just to remark here that plus minus tolerances can be avoided on size dimensions, replacing by limit dimensions. Limit dimensions on sizes are more preferred method in Gd&T than plus minus tolerancing. The feature control frame controls the 8 holes, applying the geometric position symbol. It is a Gd&T position symbol represented. It is a diametrical or circular tolerance zone symbol. 0.1 mm is a geometric tolerance of position. This 0.1 mm tolerance is applied to each one of the hole on piece circle diameter individually. Maximum material condition or MMC is applied on the position tolerance of each individual hole. A bonus tolerance is applicable on each individual hole. To learn more on maximum material condition or MMC, please visit and see a full video with mathematical calculations in our channel Accurate ASME ISO. Also, please find a link given below. The primary datum A is a bottom surface. The secondary datum B is a center hole of size dimension 16 mm to 16.2 mm. Now this is a symbol of maximum material boundary or MMB. The learning objective of this video is on the concept of maximum material boundary. To demonstrate the application of MMB, let us have two mating parts. part A is mating part of part B, whereas part B is a circular plate of 8 holes PCD for which a part drawing shown in last slide. To explain it more clearly, it is shown 2D drawing than a 3D. Suppose both the parts are manufactured perfectly as good parts. When assembly is performed of those two parts, all PCD features and center feature match very perfectly as shown. Let us assume that one of the PCD holes is shifted and out of the tolerance value. If it is tried to assemble these two parts, center feature and all the PCD can match except the hole out of PCD, indicated by the arrow. Now suppose the center hole was produced at its MMB, that is the smallest size of boundary. It means no additional bonus tolerance applied to Datum B feature. If suppose the Datum B hole is produced at its LMB, LMB means the largest size boundary. Because of the increased diameter, the entire part we can shift to adjust the out of spec PCD hole. This is what we can see. We have adjusted the shift in bonus tolerance and match the one hole. Please be noted that to match the single hole, we have shifted the entire part, and because of this, all other remaining holes got mismatched. This means MMB bonus tolerance cannot be applied to single or individual feature. Bonus of datum hole allows to shift entire part only. Then, where the bonus of MMB condition applicable? Suppose all PCD holes are perfectly in acceptance zone of PCD diameter, or we can say all holes are on the piece circle diameter. But the center of PCD is itself shifted, and out of tolerance, indirectly all PCD holes are translated in a very particular direction. In the last slide, we discussed about a single feature out of tolerance condition, and this condition explains us the entire piece circle diameter is moved. This assembly clearly explains that all PCD holes are uniformly translated or shifted. There could be many causes to get such kind of the effect, like multi-spindle drilling offset, fixture offset conditions, datum of the shift, or many more systematic error in the manufacturing in machine. Suppose datum hole B is produced at its largest size of diameter, that is at least material boundary. This gives a more clearance as you see, or the bonus to shift the part from datum. If we shift the part and try to match all the holes, it is easy to assemble. This happened because all holes were on PCD and only piece circle diameter itself shifted as a center. Therefore, the conclusion statement is MMB bonus tolerance allows complete shift of the part and therefore bonus applicable equally to all features and not one or two individuals. Here are the explanation of maximum material boundary, which speaks about how we can apply the bonus tolerance to the entire features of the part. So, objectively speaking, let us have certain questions and their answers. Question number 1. Is MMC and MMB are same? The answer is no. MMC is applied to individual feature, whereas MMB is applied to a datum, so that the bonus is applicable to all the feature depending on that particular datum. Question number 2. Is symbol for MMC and MMB is same? Yes, the symbol for both material condition is same. Question number 3. MMB and LMB provide bonus tolerance to individual feature. Answer is again no. Only MMB and LMB provide bonus to entire features or the complete part. Question number 4. MMB and LMB provide bonus to pattern or whole part. Answer is it provides bonus to all those features which are controlled from MMB or LMB. Thank you very much. For further inquiry on the trainings, please contact us, Accurate Sales and Services. Phone number for the direct contact of your training query 997 000 2515. Email ID direct is cmapplication@accurategauging.com. Thank you all of you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Accurate ASME ISO.